Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for students. First, ensure you have Python installed on your computer, along with a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. Begin by understanding core concepts such as variables, data types, and basic operations. Practice writing small programs, perhaps one that calculates a simple sum or converts units, to solidify your understanding of the syntax and structure. This hands-on approach is crucial for building a strong foundation. There are many excellent resources available to help you learn Python effectively. Websites like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp offer interactive lessons that guide you through concepts step by step. Don't forget to consult the official Python documentation. It's a comprehensive guide for all features. Engaging with online communities, such as Stack Overflow or Reddit's r/LearnPython, can provide valuable insights and help when you encounter challenges. Learning from others is a powerful tool. Consistent practice is key to mastering Python. Start by building small, manageable projects, like a simple calculator or a text-based adventure game. As you gain confidence, consider contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Always take time to review and refactor your code, looking for ways to make it more efficient, readable, and robust. This iterative process significantly enhances your programming abilities. Once you've mastered the basics, delve into more advanced Python concepts. Explore object-oriented programming, which is fundamental for larger applications, and understand various data structures like lists and dictionaries. Consider specializing in areas like web development with frameworks such as Django or data science using libraries like pandas. The field of programming is always evolving, so continuously challenge yourself with new problems and emerging technologies to keep your skills sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.